So guys, this is my first video on Goa Garden. And I noticed one thing that I am playing Goa Garden after 2 or 3 months. Oh my god, I'm just cooked. Let's start by this pumpkin. Let's start by opening an uncommon egg and see what will we get. Please be a good one. And we definitely receive a bad one. Okay, nothing happened. Let's place a. And I forgot to tell you that I just now got a cacao seed, but I forgot to record its video. So please sorry. Let's check the new Christmas event. These all things are. Let's go to the gear shop and that area. Let's check the gear shop. Oh, watering can. I will purchase everything. Pet name. I have seen this one first time. Pet recaller. Let's go to the pest salesman and see what he has. As expected, he doesn't have anything good. Let's go to the craftsman. He also have nothing good. Oh my god, everything is badass. I hope. Let's go to our garden. Oh, my golden that thing. Carrot seed? It's a big achievement, bro. It's a big achievement. Very big achievement. And I just want to say you that bye.